friends. Today I am showing you my apartment in Nashville. I'm gonna give you a little tour of the apartment that I've been living in this past year in Nashville. I know that this scenery is new. That is because I am back home in Boca Raton, Florida for the summer. I graduated college and just moved out of that apartment because I'm home for the summer to work on jobs, work on my YouTube channel, kind of get my life together before I move back to Nashville in the fall. But since I was moving out of that apartment, I wanted to give you guys a little tour of it before I left. I have so many memories in that apartment. I have pictures everywhere and all of the stuff on my walls I put a lot of thought into, so it's a very special apartment to me. I have actually moved every single year since my freshman year. I moved my sophomore year and my junior year and my senior year, and now I'm back home. I'm really tired of moving in and out of apartments. I really want to find a place where I can just put all my stuff and not worry about having to take it down for a long time. But I really did love this apartment in Nashville. I definitely, as you will see in the video, had to make do of the space that I was given. Like, I didn't have any windows in my room, so it was really hard to film. Looking back on some of my videos on my channel that I filmed in that apartment, the lighting was so bad. It was so bad compared to like all of the natural light and space that I have in Boca. So definitely when I get another apartment eventually, I really need to keep the natural lighting and the film space in mind because that is my career. Needless to say, I wanted to show you guys where I've been living for the past year. I hope you guys enjoy it. You will also get to meet my little furry friend in the video, so that's extra exciting. But yeah, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy my apartment. All right, so here is the front of my apartment. My apartment number is 304. I have a little hello mat at the front that's kind of dirty. Sorry about that. Also, there's some scratches at the bottom of the door. So you open the door, there's a surprise in here. Say hello, Okie. This is the dog that I have been watching for the past few months. Her name is Okie. She's a rescue. She is the sweetest girl you will ever meet in your entire life. Okie, can you sit? Good girl, baby. So that is the first thing you see when you enter my apartment, obviously. To the right here, I have like two mirrored looking pieces and then my key holder. And then here is a little overview of my entire apartment. My cozy little home. So over here to the left is like a little coat closet, which has been great for some extra storage. I have like Christmas stuff in there and my heavier coats that obviously I don't need at this time of year. This is my pantry. Over here I have a little picture frame with some of my favorite pictures of my friends and family. I haven't updated that in a little while, but those still are some of my favorite pictures. So over here in my kitchen, back here I just have some random stuff. I have my degree, which is still very fresh and special to me. That's why I have it on display. Okie's treats, Okie's leash. This is actually really cool. This is a lantern that a subscriber actually made me and brought to me at work in Florida one day. She put shells from the beach that I live on back in Florida and she made this little lantern for me. So that has been on my kitchen counter all year. NutriBullet coffee cups. Here's my stove. I love this little marble plant thing. This is from TJ Maxx. Thumbs up for TJ Maxx, am I right? That is a prayer that my grandmother wrote me and framed it. She gave it to me for graduation. This is a chalkboard that says, obviously, hello friends. And it says, welcome to the Jam House down there because this place is called the Jam House. In here, I have my fish. I have to go over here to show them to you though. This is Valentine. He's a betta fish. He's beautiful. I love him so much. His name is Valentine because I got him on Valentine's Day. This is from my cousin's family farm. It was an actual tree that they cut down from their farm and I went over there for Thanksgiving and they're like, do you want a little piece of trunk? And I was like, honestly, yeah, that would look so good. So that is my little fish area. Here's my kitchen from this view. I have a little charging station here. You will see that I have so many chargers everywhere because I just like to have my phone plugged in at all times. So over here, I just have some branches with some lights on it. That's nothing special. That's my attempt at being artsy. Up there, I have my favorite little jellyfish hanger. Pretty sure that's from Pier 1. Over here, I have some beach pictures that I got from, I believe, Z Gallery. I tell everyone, like with my decor style, it's very hard for me to pick between beach and like the rustic Nashville style because everything I've ever known and loved is turquoise and beachy. And so when I came here, I'm like, okay, well, I can't have starfish everywhere. And like, I literally says ocean and beach. But I have a nice blend of my two homes in this apartment, I think. So yeah, those beach pictures, I love them so much. This desk you've probably seen in the background of several of my videos for a really long time. Little plant here. This is my computer that has lasted me forever. If you know me, I do not watch TV, so this is the closest thing I have to a TV. So I just angle my computer this way and I sit on my couch and I watch Netflix and YouTube videos. I don't edit my videos on it because it's really slow. I edit on my laptop over there, and I also can bring my laptop with me, but it works really well for watching YouTube videos and listening to music and watching Netflix. Here I just have my iPad, which has my calendar and my notes on it, and then I have another little notepad here. Over here, I just have pictures of my best friends from home. I have a lot of pictures in my apartment, as you will soon see. And this little planter thing is from Pier 1 as well. This is my view outside my balcony. It's a teaser balcony, it's not a full balcony, but I don't care. I always have this window open like this and my blinds open. I love this view so much, and my favorite part is the running fountain down there. So I always get the sound of running water and it makes me think of the ocean. So that's my little balcony view. This little table right here, I actually have a tutorial on my channel of me painting this. I think it turned out pretty well, honestly. This is a program of Waitress that I got signed by Catherine McPhee and the rest of the cast. I just recently went to New York, so this is really fresh, so that's why it's still out here. I loved Waitress, and I just have a little collection of books over here. My Belmont commencement ceremony, my name's in there somewhere. This is really cool. This is what my mom got me for graduation. It's called Simple Prayers for Graduates, and each day is a different devotion for graduate. So that's super cool, so I leave that here so I can read it every day. Then I have this special pillow on my couch. Plant over there from Amazon. This chair and ottoman, my cousin got. I lived with my cousin last year and we had a 2-bedroom and we had a little bit more space. So I just like made it work. Just made it into an extra seat for the living room and kind of stuck the ottoman over there. I have like blankets and stuff in there because it opens, so that's actually really convenient. But yeah, here is one of my favorite things in my apartment. So some of you know that I am from Boca Raton, Florida, and this is the Miami skyline. I know I'm not from Miami, but my dad went to Miami and I do love the Miami skyline. It's one of my favorites. So I got this canvas from Amazon, I believe, some artist. If I can find them, I will link them in the description bar below, but look how beautiful this is. I have my keyboard, obviously, because I am a music major. And then here is my little collage wall. So this kind of all just started around that reclaimed Florida thing. I got that at a store in Meisner Park. It's got a little heart from where I live in South Florida, so it's a nice little memory. And then I just kind of put some other things around it. I've got some quotes. Here's a candle that says, "Find your wings and dare to do great things." My mom gave that to me. It's actually a bracelet and I just used it as a candle holder. Here's a picture of my family from graduation. As you can see, graduation is very fresh in my mind, so I still have a ton of stuff from it in my apartment. And then this is a picture of me and my parents on my cousin's wedding day. I'm gonna be sad to take this little wall down. I worked really, really hard on that and getting it even and everything, but it'll just be bigger and better in my next apartment. So the thing that's kind of weird about this apartment is my bedroom, which is in there, actually doesn't have any windows. Instead, it has 2 doors. I think that's a fire thing. I think you have to have more than one entrance. So it's kind of unfortunate that there's no window in here, but this is what my room looks like. So because the setup was a little bit strange, I had to accommodate with how my room is set up, and I made this whole like makeup filming section a totally different section of my room. If I want to do my makeup, then I enter from this way and I can sit at my chair here and do my makeup over here. And then this is my Diva light that I use every day instead of natural lighting. It's really, really great lighting, but I did definitely miss having a window in here because nothing beats natural light, obviously. Oki's cage down there, more chargers, and then I have all of that is filled with makeup. Up here is just a wall of more pictures. Oh, this one's crooked. That's gonna bother me. Like I said, I really do love to put pictures around my apartment to make me feel like I'm at home. And I have Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful, and the sign of a beautiful person is that they always see beauty in others. So here's my room from this way, my bed, my tapestry. I have a little arrow poster up there. I love that arrow poster. That is from a beach shop in Florida. See, I have so many Florida things in my apartment. Hi, baby. She's like, Mom, hurry up. It's time to go to the park. So this wall is just kind of like a little memory of things that I have done at school. Up there, if you guys are familiar with On the Town at all, I actually did play Ivy, and that is the poster picture that they made. And I actually used this poster on stage and I signed it on stage. So they let me keep one of them. This poster is from my senior recital that I did in January. That is my program from my senior recital, all of the songs that I sang. This is a performance that I did over Christmas break. I put together like a little collage of their season, and this is my bio and my headshot, and this was the program. This is a poster of John Bellion. He is my favorite artist of all time, and a few years ago I went to his concert and he signed a poster. If you guys don't know who John Bellion is, look him up. He is definitely 100% my favorite artist of all time. These are all cards that companies have sent me. I don't know exactly what I was going for there, but that's that. This is my cord. This is an ornament that my grandmother gave me for graduation, kind of a representation of a butterfly about to fly away. And this is my 2018 tassel. This is my wardrobe. This thing has served me so well. It stores so much, but it is so heavy to move, so I think this is gonna go by the end of this year. Yeah, nothing really to see up there. And here is my closet. Yes, I do color coordinate my clothes. It's just easy for me to find stuff, okay? And I've color coordinated my clothes literally forever. I've got shoes down there, my boots up here. It's a tiny little closet, but it's definitely worked. Here I have a floor-length mirror. Here is my bathroom. Nothing really special to see here. That's just some extra storage. I have my jewelry, extra hair products, bags, humidifier down there. Then I have my necklaces behind my door. Over here I have a little thing that my mom got me. A smile is the prettiest thing you can wear, which is very true. And then I have 2 beach pictures. Again, can't stray away from the beach. I have as many beach things in my apartment as possible. Then I love this. It says think clean thoughts for my bathroom. And then my mom and I always say that to each other. Love you to the moon and back. So over here I have a marble clock and a poster that says rise and shine with fake eyelashes, because I wear fake eyelashes all the time. My countertop, everything on here is coconut, 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 that's coconut, this is coconut, everything on here is obviously coconut. My shower, nothing to see there. And I think that is my entire apartment, you guys. Here's another little overview. I've really loved this apartment. It's treated me really well. In the future, I really do hope to have a window in my bedroom though, to get some of that natural light in, because I love waking up to the natural light. So actually at night when I sleep, I keep the doors open so that I can wake up to the natural light, because when I close these doors, it gets freaking dark in here. Yeah, so that is my little humble abode. Do you have anything else to say, Vivi? No? Okay.
So that's it. That is my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed taking that tour with me. If you want to see a tour of my house in Boca Raton, I will have a link to that up here. I did it a couple years ago. Yeah, so if you guys want to watch the tour of where I'm living right now in Boca, you can click up here. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.